In today's episode, we continue on in our new series that we're calling Our Latitude Adjustment. This week finds us in sunny San Juan, Puerto Rico.
So what are we up to? Well, our master plan is to avoid the winter doldrums by fleeing south and prowling the Caribbean. We'll be hiking and paddling and diving as many of the islands as we can. A change in latitude and attitude might be just what we need.
Our first stop was in the last episode, and that found us in the Turks and Caicos Islands. We've now traveled another 400 miles east-southeast to the island of Puerto Rico. There's great history here to learn about and antiquated forts to explore. More importantly, we've heard that San Juan's paletas are world-class, and we must sample the best ones. What's a paleta? Stay tuned.
San Juan is a pretty large city, but we'll be focusing on this tiny peninsula at the mouth of the harbor. This is called Old San Juan and is the site of the historic port city. We'll show you a little video from our exploration of two forts here. First, we'll visit Castillo San Cristobal, which is right here. Then, we'll experience the amazing vistas provided by the towers of Castillo San Felipe del Moro, up there.
Finally, we'll take a walk through Old San Juan to soak up its sights and sounds. The colors and feel of these Spanish colonial buildings are wonderful to behold. And, of course, the real purpose of our walk is to track down the best paleta shop in Old San Juan. But more on that later.
Okay. Now we'll turn it over to these nice people to welcome you to this fascinating place.
Hey everyone, today we're at the fort called Castillo San Cristobal.
Come with us as we explore Old San Juan.
Castillo San Cristobal is a Spanish fortress built in the 1700s to protect against land-based attacks on the port city. Completed in 1783, it represents the largest fortification built by the Spanish in the New World. It's been declared a World Heritage Site by the United Nations and gets several million visitors each year. The views up there are pretty amazing. The second fort we explored is called Castillo San Felipe del Moro. This citadel was built and improved over hundreds of years between the 16th and 18th centuries. Also known as El Moro, or the Promontory, it was designed to guard the entrance to San Juan Bay from seaborne attack. And these forts did their job. San Juan was never taken by military force. Again, the views from the lookouts are stunning.
After leaving El Moro, we began walking north to south through the old city. It took a while, so we'll speed things up a little.
Okay, what's all this business about paletas? As many of you know, a paleta is basically what we in the US call a popsicle. Around the world, it might be called an ice lolly or an icy pole or even Kisco elsewhere in the Caribbean. But it's basically a frozen ice treat on a stick. But of all the popsicle versions, we think the paleta is the best.
Now, we took our research seriously and discovered that the best paletas in Old San Juan come from a paleteria called Zip Pops. And we're inviting you along for the taste test.
Well, hey, we are in Old San Juan, and we are about to eat some of the most wonderful stuff in the world. These are paletas. We've had them before, but it was in Santa Fe. So we have been hunting the old city, trying to find a specific paleta shop. We found it, and we're about to try them out. This is pineapple and coconut and mango.
We have strawberry coconut with mini chocolate chips.
Yeah, it's pretty wonderful.
Pretty great on a hot day.
And with that embarrassing display of public indulgence, we'll leave our San Juan adventure. If you haven't been to San Juan, you might consider it. The history and culture here makes for a great visit.
So what's our next stop? In the next episode, you'll find us in the southern Caribbean island of Curacao. This channel will head back underwater and come face to face with a huge wall of fish. You'll want to see this. If you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks again, and we'll join you soon for more videos of the two of us exploring the wonderful world that's around us. We'll see you next time from Willemstad, Curacao, when our latitudes and attitudes get some needed adjusting.